Taking Sunday to plan a schedule for myself has greatly improved my mental health, reduced my stress, kept me fed throughout the week, and gave me a day to relax from the other chaotic 6 days of the week. I don't know about you all, but the last month I've been in college, I've been struggling to find a routine and feeling extremely overwhelmed. After the improvement I saw from planning out my weeks, I wanted to share with you all tips for how to start setting up your weeks for success and my personal schedule with my first year of college. If you're just looking for specific tips, you can use the timestamps in the description or of the video. I take Sunday as my reset day since it's not busy and it's towards the end of my weeks. Today, I woke up around 8:30, but I don't set a specific time to wake up. I just try to catch up on sleep. Good morning, Vlog Nation. The first thing I always do every morning though is make my bed. It may not seem like much, but it is the first step of the staircase every morning. If you skip the first step, you might trip every once in a while. It also just makes me feel more productive in the morning. I noticed my hair looks like I just got struck by lightning.
Oh my god, bro.
So I just took a quick shower. I just shower in the morning because it makes me feel more awake. Or I'm just weird, either one of those.
Boom, bam, pow.
The point of this video is to show you all that it's okay to have downtime and enjoy a break from work. I like to treat myself to a good meal on Sunday mornings, so I had to whip it up real quick.
I'm joking.
Nice.
I saw this new Netflix movie called Love at First Sight, and I don't really watch anything besides YouTube, so I thought I'd give it a try. I don't want to see no judgment in the comments, alright? I just like me some romance. I believe that everyone deserves to treat themselves after a hard week, and this setting right here is the biggest vibe for me. Another important thing to do is cleaning. I know y'all are not trying to be on that hoarder shit, so I try to get as much clean as I can on Sunday. I have noticed that I feel calmer in my home when things are clean and in the right place, which sets me up for a better week overall. There's a lot of different things to clean, but I just like to listen to a podcast while I do it. Chores and cleaning don't have to be a burden. They can be turned into a relaxing break from the hectic work week.
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
I cleaned my room next. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I am not the most organized person in the world, so the room can get a little trashed throughout the week. As long as you feel comfortable and calm in your space, that's all that should matter. Personally though, I just like getting rid of the dust and ick around the room. You might be wondering though, Kai, this video seems a lot about you. And yeah, it's because it's my channel. Nah, but some other things that I like to do during my reset days that anybody can do are hang out in a pool, play video games, watch YouTube, or sometimes even nap. In the last month of college, I found it important to take at least a few hours of leisure out of my schedule. If you all have busy lives, you don't necessarily need an entire day to recover, just enough hours to unwind and set yourself up for success during the week. It's to take away from things that could be causing stress or extra work, which is why just vibing at home and ending the week on a good note is so useful. An article from lifehack.org also says downtime is essential for boosting motivation, learning from the past, and even sustaining a personal code of ethics. And that sounds like a lot of words to me, so they must be right. Also, I may be a little weird for this, but I like to spend my off days alone. It could be different for everybody, but I also believe that alone time is healthy for our minds. An article from choosingtherapy.com even says that alone time comes with a more regulated mood, reduced stress, and increased creativity and positivity. If you combine the benefits of taking this rest day in the first place and the benefits of alone time, your upcoming week will instantly become better. The cleaning took a few hours, so I made a smoothie in between the clips. Unfortunately, this is what happened to my smoothie. And apparently my sprinkler was just leaking randomly. I love college. Alright, so low-key, it was getting already late, even though I barely did anything, which probably means that I was being too lazy on my lazy day. Nah, but one of the most important things about a rest day for me is the planning at the end. While it's great to do the required chores on my day, if I want to succeed another day, I am the type of person who needs a plan. If you've been in need of this, then I got you. I have this app called Notion, right? And I've been looking for a calendar app for so long. This past month of college has been extremely stressful trying to balance everything, find times for everything. And I wanted a notes app that had like calendar, had notes, task lists, organization, like all in one. And I found Notion and it is actually so amazing. Like I can have my YouTube and I have more like social media tasks that I'm gonna work on soon. I have my schoolwork, I update every week. I didn't make this, they have a bunch of presets for you as well. So now that I'm done with all my cleaning stuff, I'm gonna just mark off everything I did. I would recommend this to anybody. If you're looking for something cheap, students watching my videos, so if you guys are looking for something, Notion's pretty good. I would recommend Notion. Another important thing you can do to save time throughout the week and prepare yourself is meal prepping. If you're like me when I moved out, I barely even stepped foot in the kitchen. It was mainly because I was living in a household of gremlins, so I didn't want to cook for them all. Honestly though, just hop on TikTok or YouTube and look up recipes. Most things for me, I just throw in a pan with some seasoning and it turns out pretty good. If you can do a lot of the cooking on Sunday, it will set your week up so you're not coming home to not knowing what to eat or wasting time with cooking. Some simple and cheap recipes I'd recommend are chicken with rice and broccoli, potatoes and pork chops, ground beef with anything. I personally eat gluten-free foods, so I may have to sell my kidney soon with the way I'm buying food. Hopefully, if you take anything away from this video, you can apply it to your busy lives and live a happier and healthier life. I'm no expert at all by any means. I just wanted to share what I have found helpful during my first month of college. If you truly enjoyed this video, why not subscribe and join the Discord server? According to studies, it relieves stress. Nah, I'm just kidding. Good night. Girl. I see you tomorrow.